Nice.
Oh boy, this is a huge one. This is a nice fish. A little bigger than the last one, at least.
Watch out, we've got some rain.
He's kind of falling in line now with the current, which is good. Not better. You want to get the engine up just in case. Just go ahead and press it up. Keep going the whole way. I've got color.
Oh.
He didn't like that.
How big was it?
Pretty big.
Nice.
I don't think he's totally done either.
Well, there he is, there he is, there he is. Okay.
Okay.
Give me, well, yeah, I see it. It's a big one.
There you go.
Okay, you're gonna have to get that.
Just hold it tight.
Okay. You tell me when you're ready, okay? And I'm not gonna bring it up anymore.
Go ahead.
Okay.
It's a nice one.
How big, babe? Not 200?
Not 200.
Okay. Almost 200?
Almost.
Which way do you need him to go?
You're fine.
Okay, hold on. I'm gonna try to bring him around. Okay, here we go. Tell me how close he is.
Up more.
Okay.
Up.
Hold on. Can you get him now?
Yep, done.
It's already out of the way. Already did it. You want the bash or the gap?
The gap.
Yeah?
I'm gonna get the gap and bring it up.
Okay, I need you to just not move your legs. Okay?
Give it some slack.
You got this? I got this. You okay? Zach, you okay?
Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Here, you get hold this rope. You're both gonna pull, okay?
Hold on. 1, 2.
Dude, come over and I'm just gonna lay on you.
Okay, 1, 2.
Well, the melee is over, and we finally boated a really nice one here. It looks to be about 60 or 70 pounds, just a perfect eating size. Check it out. Nice. Just hammered that jig. See, it's a 7-ounce Fire Eye Glow Jig.
What did you beat it with?
Corner of his mouth. It was tipped with some squid and a nice chunk of herring. About 160 feet deep. Nice fish.